Hey everyone, my name is Tyler McCully, Wide World, Mid Missouri, BNSF, Union Pacific on the Marceline Subdivision on YouTube land. I bet we got a final train coming to final right now, so it's probably a SD78 unit. We're going to find out what it is. It's probably a double stack, alright. Who could that be? Let's see. That's a double stack. BNSF SD70, Union Pacific SD78 is alright, and BNSF SD78 is alright. Double stack cars. Assemble that train was BNSF SD78 and the honked at me with the Hornshow horn salute. That train here originates at Long Beach, California, heads east going to Logistics Park in Chicago, Illinois. Happened on this Friday, February 13, 2026 by Tyler McCully, Wide World, Mid Missouri, BNSF SD78 double stack train on YouTube land. You get a comment section below the SD78 unit. Give YouTube a like. Appreciate it from Tyler McCully. Well, my name is Tyler McCully. You enjoyed the video, so have a good one. Goodbye.